Good day everyone! Welcome to Bahay Aralan. For this video, we will learn about the difference between descriptive and limiting adjectives. Let us talk about descriptive adjectives first. As its name suggests, descriptive adjectives give descriptions of nouns or pronouns. They describe or give information about their characteristics or qualities, sizes, ages, shapes, colors, origins, materials used, or their purposes. For example, we have friendly neighbors. The descriptive adjective in this sentence is friendly. It describes the noun neighbors. It gives information about the kind of neighbors we have or their characteristic or trait, right? Next, Mika loves wearing red shoes. The descriptive adjective in this sentence is red. It describes the noun shoes by telling their color. Okay? Another one. Luis is carrying a big rectangular box. In this sentence, there are two descriptive adjectives. These are big, which tells the size of the box, and the other one is rectangular. It tells the shape of the box. Last example. He teaches English to young Korean students. There are two adjectives in the sentence. The first one is young. It describes the age of the students. And the other one is Korean. It tells what country they are from or their origin. Is it clear? Now let us have limiting adjectives. Limiting adjectives modify nouns or pronouns by restricting or limiting them rather than describing them. They do not give descriptions of nouns or pronouns, unlike descriptive adjectives. They only tell the number or amount, the location, which one the person is referring to, or they show ownership. For example, Kelly owns 3 cars. The limiting adjective in the sentence is 3. It tells the number of cars Kelly owns. As you can see, the number 3 does not give us any description of the cars, like their colors, where they came from, or anything else about them. It is only limited to telling how many cars Kelly owns, right? Meaning, cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on are examples of limiting adjectives. Another one. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. The limiting adjective in this sentence is first. As you can notice, it does not describe the person, like his characteristics, height, or nationality, right? It only tells his rank or position in relation to other people who walked on the moon. He was the first one. This means that ordinal numbers like first, second, third, and so on are also limiting adjectives. Other examples of limiting adjectives are indefinite adjectives. They also tell us how many people or things there are, but they do not tell us the exact number. For example, Liam asked a few questions about the assignment. The indefinite adjective in the sentence is few. It tells how many questions were asked by Liam, but we do not know the exact number, right? Other examples are all, any, each, many, several, and some. Next, we have demonstrative adjectives. They tell the physical location of a person or thing relative to the speaker, whether it's near or far. For example, that bag is mine. The demonstrative adjective in this sentence is that. It is only used to tell that the bag is far or out of reach of the person talking. Other demonstrative adjectives are this, these, and those. Now let us move on to interrogative adjectives. These limiting adjectives modify nouns by asking questions. For example, which pencil is yours? The interrogative adjective in the sentence is which. It modifies the noun pencil. It's asking for specific information, right? Other interrogative adjectives are what and whose. We also have possessive adjectives. These adjectives show ownership. For example, Susie is folding her shirt. The possessive adjective in the sentence is her. It modifies the noun shirt to express the idea that Susie owns the shirt. At first glance, you would think that it is a pronoun, but it's not because in this case, it modifies a noun. It tells whose shirt it is, right? Other examples of possessive adjectives are his, its, your, our, their, and my. And now we're down to the last group of limiting adjectives, the articles. Articles are used to specify which nouns or pronouns the person is referring to. The three articles in English are the, a, and an. For example, the bike in front of our house is mine. The article the in the sentence modifies the noun bike. It tells us that the person knows which bike he is talking about. Clear? Now let us have an activity. Find the adjective in each sentence and identify whether it is a descriptive or a limiting adjective. Okay? And for this activity, let us exclude the articles a, an, and the. Okay? First one. Whose book is on the wet floor? There are two adjectives in the sentence. The first one is whose. It is a limiting adjective. It modifies the noun book by asking a question. And the other one is wet. It describes the noun floor. It tells the condition of the floor. Okay? Next. Jay sent you these white roses. The adjectives in the sentence are these. It is a limiting adjective. The other one is white, a descriptive adjective. They both modify the noun roses. Last one. 5 energetic children are jumping on an oval trampoline. The first one is 5. It tells the number of children, and it is a limiting adjective. The second one is energetic. It describes or tells the characteristic of the children. It is a descriptive adjective. And the third adjective is oval. It describes the shape of the trampoline. And it is a descriptive adjective. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.